Hi, Ian Willis here from Wilson's Estate Agency and welcome to the monthly market review for August 2015. We've got some really important information to touch on today about some property and advertising reforms for the real estate industry. But first off, let's take a quick look back at August to give you an idea on how the market went. Wilson's Estate Agency, we sold 14 properties for the month. The most notable sale for the month was number 27 Empire Bay Drive at Daly's Point, which sold for $1,550,000. So now we're actually into September, we're officially in the spring selling season. What does that mean for buyers and sellers? Well, we have actually seen a few new properties starting to hit the market. So from a buying perspective, you will have a little bit more choice out there on the market. For the sellers out there, we are starting to see the open house attendees drop slightly over the last month or two, and the days on market for properties for sale is actually starting to get a little bit longer. We're not seeing prices drop, and it's certainly not all doom and gloom, but there are a few things to consider now if you're putting your property on the market before the end of the year. On the renting side of things, there's still very good demand there, with Wilson's Estate Agency renting approximately 40 properties since the start of the new financial year. Our biggest advice for landlords at the moment is holding out for the best price might not necessarily get you the best return. There are quite a few properties available, and maybe having that price $10 or $20 lower than what you originally hoped for, but finding a tenant a week or two quicker is actually more beneficial for you over a 12-month period. Now, touching on those property reforms which I mentioned a little bit earlier, there's actually some laws which are going through Parliament at the moment, passed last week, which relate to underquoting and pricing in the real estate industry. Looks like early 2016 we're actually going to see the rubbing out of property marketing, including offers over or price guide from. This has been a big bugbear for buyers over the last couple of years, and the idea of it is to actually make things more transparent through the industry. So we're actually not going to see offers over from X amount or price guide from. We'll be looking at auctions, set prices or price guides. And if you're looking for something to do throughout September, we've actually got the Pearl Beach Food and Wine Show now in its 8th year, being held on Saturday the 26th of September from 10 AM to 5 PM. Get along, it's always a great day out, lot to experience there in the quiet little seaside suburb of Pearl Beach. I think it'll be a great day. Well, thanks again for taking part in the August monthly market review. I'm Ian Willis. I'd love to know your thoughts, especially on those new property reforms which are going to hit the market shortly. Please drop me an email or contact me on the Facebook page. Love to hear from you, and I'll see you next month.